Hello viewers, welcome to the massive open online course on political process in India. This course is a core course of the Political Science Honours curriculum under the CBCS system. The course encompasses the functioning of political democracy in India within a federal multicultural setup. The course will give students an insight into the diverse aspects of Indian politics, beginning with the nature of party system, coalition politics, and voting behavior. The course will also focus on state-society interactions with reference to regionalism, regional movements, identity politics in India, as well as the changing nature of Indian state from independence to the post-liberalization era. This course will focus on 6 major areas. Firstly, nature of Indian party system and coalition politics. Secondly, determinants of voting behavior across different variables like populism, caste, class, gender, religion, and spatial factors. Thirdly, regionalism and regional movements. Fourthly, exploring the nature of identity politics with special reference to caste and religion. Fifthly, affirmative action policies in India. And finally, the changing nature of the Indian state since independence. Thus, the course will give students an overall understanding of the structures, institutions, processes and forces which influence Indian politics and state-society interactions. This course will benefit undergraduate and postgraduate students, students appearing for UPSC and state civil service examinations, as well as those interested in understanding the various socio-political processes shaping contemporary India. The course consists of 48 modules which will be delivered over a period of 12 weeks, roughly covering the working days of a semester. Each week 4 modules will be uploaded. Each module has the 4 following quadrants. A video of the lecture of roughly 25 to 30 minutes duration delivered by the faculty, an in-depth write-up on the same topic, references for further study, MCQs for self-assessment exploratory exercises, assignments for evaluation by faculty. Thus, like all other MOOC courses, this MOOC course is also a self-learning course. And the students are expected to devote 8 hours approximately per week, which will include thorough understanding of the modules, participation in the discussion with the subject expert, and also going through the list of papers and other references. Proctored examination. In order to be eligible for a certificate of achievement, a student has to appear for a proctored examination at the nearest center. The examination shall consist of MCQs and short answer type questions to be conducted simultaneously at all centers. This is all about the course. I wish you all the best. Thank you.